In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the Jetson Orin radar and OAK camera on the ACCE model, and how to install the battery on the UGV Beast. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the robot expansion component, then place the expansion component aside. Secure the D500 LIDAR to the expansion component using KM 2.5x8 countersunk screws and silver M3 nuts. Insert the D500 LIDAR's cable into the LIDAR port on the audio driver board. Secure another M4x6 hex socket cap screw here. Fasten the wireless network card module and the Jetson Orin Nano together using flathead screws. Remove the hexagonal copper pillars used to support the expansion component. Mount the antennas onto the wireless network card module. Place the Jetson Orin main unit on the silver hexagonal copper pillars M2.5x8. Then use the 4 previously removed copper pillars to secure the Jetson Orin main unit to the robot. Plug the double row cable from Jetson Nano adapter into Jetson Orin main unit to enable communication between the host and lower device. Plug the DC5525 interface into the Jetson Orin main unit to power the host. Insert the audio driver board, USB camera, and the Type A connector of the OAK Lite into the USB ports of the Jetson Orin. Then, reattach the gimbal to the robot using the 4 screws removed earlier. With that, the installation of the Jetson Orin radar and OAK camera on the UGV Beast chassis is complete. Finally, we will introduce how to install the batteries. Begin by unscrewing the 4 screws on the chassis of the robot, and then open the chassis. Then place the batteries into the battery module, noting the positive and negative markings on the module. Ensure the batteries are inserted with the correct polarity. Charging is prohibited if the battery is connected incorrectly. Finally, reattach the previously removed chassis component to the product using the 4 black metal hex socket cap screws, M3x6, taken off earlier. With that, the battery installation for the UGV Beast chassis is complete. Lastly, use the included 12.6 volts 2 ampere charger to plug into the robot's charging port to activate the UPS power module, which will then provide power output. Press the product's power button to turn it on, and it is ready for use.